Welcome to our step-by-step guide on starting a business in the USA. First things first, you need to conduct thorough market research, understand your target audience, analyze the competition. Next, it's time to choose your business structure. Register your business name and obtain the necessary permits and licenses. Don't forget to apply for an employer identification number. Open a business bank account and consider consulting with an accountant to ensure proper financial management. You can't ignore taxes. From income tax to sales tax, being compliant is essential for your business's success. Protect your business with the right insurance policies. Consider general liability insurance, property insurance, and workers' compensation if you have employees. Develop a strong online presence through a website and social media channels. Craft a compelling brand story that resonates with your target audience. Define job roles, interview potential candidates, and hire skilled individuals who align with your business goals and values. Lastly, never stop learning and evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, attend workshops, and network with professionals.